Hey guys, I'm Creative Gem, back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how you can fake your braided ponytail. Listen up, EmGems! I'm going to show you how I transform my short and boring braided ponytail into a long, full braided ponytail. This quick and easy DIY only takes 10 minutes to do, and this is ideal for any occasion. All you need is these two products, and it's all for $11. Before we jump into the video, make sure you tap that subscribe button on the bottom and follow all my other social medias. So without further ado, let's get creative. So the first thing my lovely EmGems need to get is a black shoelace. I got this variety pack from the Dollar Tree for just $1, but you can also use one that you have on hand. You're also going to need some pre-braided hair. Length doesn't matter, but color and size do. They should match the color of your hair and the size of your own braids or smaller. This will make the ponytail appear more natural. This pack that I have in my hand is the ponytail I'm rocking right now. And in just a little bit, I'm going to go into more detail about the type of hair you should choose. I like using scrunchies to add a little flair to my ponytail, and also I'm going to use these scissors to cut the shoelace. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using a black shoelace to match the color of my hair. Cut the shoelace in half using the scissors. Put the shoelace to the side, and we're going to start preparing our braids. The braids I chose are crochet braids. I picked these specifically because they have loops on the tops, and I'm going to be threading the shoelace through the loops of the braids to create the ponytail. Freeze frame for thumbnail. Alright, so these braids have twisty ties attaching the braids to the packaging. Untwist the ties, but keep the braids on the ties like this. Then I'm going to take my shoelace and thread it through the loops, keeping the twisty tie attached with it. The ties keep the braids together for easy threading. This technique makes it easier to loop multiple braids instead of looping every single one. Alright, so the first batch of braids are done. I'm just going to pull the twisty tie out and start the next batch using the same technique again. Do my EmGems see how easy this is using this technique? That's why it takes less than 10 minutes. So I'm on to the third and final batch, and this ponytail is starting to get a little heavy to hold with one hand. So I don't lose all the work that I just did and it just slides off the shoelace. I'm going to lay my braids down on the floor or even on a towel, whatever you like. And I'm basically going to do the same technique but thread it on like a flat surface. And there you have it. You just created a easy breezy beautiful cover girl braided ponytail. Now that the ponytail is created, I bet my EmGems are probably wondering, how do I attach it to my existing ponytail? Well, it's pretty simple. I basically wrap it around my ponytail, tie it, then tie it again. And when I tie it a second time, I make sure I tie it under the braids, not over them. Okay, so here's where the magic happens, and we make these short pieces disappear. I take one piece and wrap it around my ponytail, pin it. Then I take the other one, wrap it around the opposite side, and pin it as well. Wrapping the ponytails around not only hides them, but also gives my braids a little bit of volume. You know, va-va-voom. I then take 2 or 3 of the braids and wrap them around the top of the ponytail to finish the look. To secure the ends, either tuck them in or pin them. Add a scrunchie, and look at what you just created. Whoo! Ice, ice, baby. Guys, look at this beautiful full ponytail. And did I mention it only takes 10 minutes to make? Congratulations, my lovely EmGems. You just created your own braided ponytail for $11 and under 10 minutes. The video is pretty much over. However, you can continue to watch because I'm going to just quickly show you how I attached my longer one and how I added some flair to it by adding some hair jewelry. By the way, for this ponytail, I did tie it a second time a little bit differently, and I tied it on the top. Mainly because these braids are a little bit thicker, they're a little bit heavier, and I needed some extra volume to kind of poof them up just a little bit. To detach your ponytail, all you have to do is take the pins out, unwrap your hair, take the pins out, and basically you can put your braids in a protective case and use them anytime you want. Alright guys, so that concludes my tutorial about how you can make your own braided ponytail. If you enjoy content like this, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification on the bottom to be notified when new content comes out. Until then, stay safe and see you next time.